Hola, buenos dias.
And in English, you say hello and good morning. We are in Spain.
We have eaten our breakfast. We have started the trek out of O Pedrouzo to walk 20 kilometers to Santiago de Compostela.
I think they're excited.
I think they are excited. Are we excited?
I think there's a little sadness, a little excitement. A couple people are just like, if you just would hurry the heck up, it'd be great. We start out our morning with a little hill. There's gonna be 2 good hills today.
There are. You know, we do have to
Here comes the click.
climb the mountain of joy. So let's go, vámonos.
Let's go. What a journey it's been so far for us, and the videos aren't out yet. If you're watching these close to when they were released, in June we walked the way of St. Francis from Florence to Assisi. So subscribe and you can watch those later. For our pilgrims, they're on their last walking day, but not the end of the trip. We're in the single digits.
Just hit the 10-kilometer mark. We have one more big climb up to Monte de Gozo.
You mean like right now?
Like right now, we just started climbing.
I know.
And then after the Mountain of Joy, it's all downhill from there, baby.
Well,
figuratively and literally.
I'm sure there'll be a bump up. But then we have one more walk for them, and that is in Finisterre to walk to the lighthouse, 2.5 kilometers.
To the actual 0K mile marker. We are down to 5.8 kilometers. Oh wait, 5.08 kilometers. And we are entering Monte de Gozo Park. What are they looking at? The cathedral, of course. Can you spot the spires in the foreground? Mary has busted out the umbrella hat.
She's used the umbrella hat and the raincoat. And look
Lisa
at our newlyweds.
busted out her hat too. And she has informed Paul that they are now holding hands all the way in. We have almost officially entered Santiago. Almost. Not quite, but almost.
Now, turn around.
Right there. Now you've made it.
All right. Right here.
We have made it to the cathedral.
We did.
Everybody in the group made it to the cathedral.
All right, so most of this trip we've been successful.
I think we made it to the cathedral.
Oh my gosh, this is a great outro. It's been a great day. They've seen a lot of really fun stuff, and we are really, really happy.
And we've got
turned out
a lot more to do yet today.
Yeah.
And tomorrow, oh my gosh. And then the next day at Finisterre. So stay tuned for the next video, seeing how we spend our free time with the group in Santiago and Finisterre.
Right now, I'm getting a massage, so we gotta go.
Let's go.
Adios.